Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back with another One Take Bag review, and this is a really special one for me because we're reviewing the big brother of the bag that launched the channel. If you've been around here a long time, then you are aware that my very first review was, and it is still, by the way, my most watched review of the TomToc Everyday Sling Bag, which is as close to perfect of an iPad / tablet sling as there is on the market. I love this thing. Now, the one I reviewed was in black. They've since revealed this kind of new khaki gold champagne colorway. I love it. This is not the bag we're reviewing. This is the bag we're reviewing. Okay, so this is a comparison video and review. I wanted to give you a chance to see the new large 9-liter version of the TomToc Everyday Sling, and I wanted a chance to show you, just so that everybody can see side by side, what is the difference between these two sizes of this amazing sling. So let's get into it. I'm going to highlight any differences, and if you want to see kind of a full breakdown of this original sling, I'll link that in the comments as well and in the video description. Okay, so first off, you can see that these bags are absolutely identical on the exterior. Now, the color obviously is different. The larger version does not come in the champagne khaki colorway yet, which is a shame, and I hope that they do it soon because this is a very, very nice color of bag to carry around. Okay, so let's take a peek here. You can see overall that the first difference is the height of the bag. You can see that you have about 3 inches larger, 2.5 maybe, on the 9-liter version versus the 7-liter medium version of this bag. Let's check out the difference in width. Okay, so same thing, you have about 2 inches difference in the width of this bag. You can see side by side, you've got about 2 to 2.5 inches different in each dimension. That keeps the proportions just about exactly the same. Imagine kind of dragging it out in a computer program. That's what's happened here. They've made it a little bit larger. They've held down the shift key and dragged out the corner of the bag on their design software. Probably not, but that's what I imagine. Okay, so other differences in this bag. Well, very small differences. You can see that in the medium version here, the attachment points are at the bottom of the bag, and in the larger version, they've shifted the attachment points to the top of the bag. I think that's actually a very positive choice that they've made, because when the attachment points are at the bottom of the bag like this, when you clip anything to them, it dangles below the bag. But if you were to clip an AirPods case or anything to the top of the bag when you wear the sling, which you would do like so, the item wouldn't hang down below the bottom of the bag and swing and hit you in the small of your back. So I like that change. On this bag, you have a fun little kind of EDC grab and go pocket with a nice long, thank you TomToc, a nice long key carabiner in this nice red color with a little metal buckle. Okay, good key carabiner. And one of my favorite things about this bag is that you can unclip very easily the bag and flip the shoulder that you carry the bag on just by moving one clip. No rethreading buckles, anything like that. I prefer to wear on this shoulder because when you swing the bag around from that shoulder, this pocket hits you right where it is supposed to hit you. If you swing it around from the other shoulder, it ends up upside down. Now, it's still comfortable to wear on the other shoulder, but there's only one way to wear it, where that pocket you can get into from the top when you swing the bag around. So, something to be aware of. On the back of this bag, on both of these bags, you have excellent padding and you have a really nice strap. The materials aren't super premium. TomToc is not a super premium brand, they're a practical brand. And on the back you have a hidden pocket. You should be aware that the hidden pocket on the larger bag is larger. Everything is slightly larger. The dimensions are larger on the front pocket, the dimensions are larger on the back pocket, but we're not talking revolutionarily larger. you can get quite a bit in there. And my favorite thing about this hidden pocket on the back of this bag in particular, a lot of bags have these passport pockets. This one is super padded, so you can actually put something in there. You know, I frequently carry a pocket knife in the back of this bag, and you can't feel it. In a lot of other bags that would poke you in the back, but because the padding is so thick on this bag, you don't feel it. So, good padding, nice airflow vent here, very comfortable hidden stuff pocket there, and the easily reversible sling direction so you can wear it on either shoulder with comfort. You have a nice handle on both of these bags. The handle on the 9-liter is just slightly bigger, not measurably so, and not any more padded than on the medium version. Okay, now we get into the biggest differences between these two bags. The size of the main compartment. So let's talk about what's going on in the main compartment of this bag in case this is the first time you've seen TomToc EDC Sling. So on the inside you have a very nice mesh pocket here with a red zipper pull. Nothing fancy on the zippers or zipper pulls, but a mesh pocket that is very handy for cords and small tech. Then down on the inside you have a very nice, just roomy main compartment. You can fit a small jacket in that pocket. You can fit a water bottle because there is, unlike most slings, a water bottle holder right here in the side. Now I don't carry a water bottle in here, and the reason why is because it is not, protected from any sweating, and it's in there with your electronics, your tablets, your laptop, etc., which could be a problem if you don't have a really secure bottle and you're jostling and swinging this bag around by nature. So I don't keep a water bottle in here, although you certainly could. I do keep a battery backup or my gimbal stuck down into that pocket. So it's nice to have the water bottle pocket just to use it as kind of a circular pocket. On the backhand side here, you have one stretchy mesh pocket here, and then a little kind of pin holder pocket right here, and then you have a tablet sleeve and a laptop sleeve. So I want to reiterate that. You have a tablet sleeve right here and a laptop sleeve right here, and this is a really nice mesh material in the back. All right, now the liner has some TomToc branding on it, and there's a little TomToc branding right there on the side, and there is a little orange tag that says Corner Armor right here, which I guess is their branding for their laptop sleeve itself. All right, interesting. Now, let's talk about differences between that and the medium-sized version. Same setup inside this medium-sized version. Inside of the medium, you have the TomToc shiny material, but you don't have the felt backing, okay, because you don't have a laptop sleeve, you just have the tablet sleeve. Now, I love that this tablet sleeve on this bag does fit an 11-inch iPad Pro in a Magic Keyboard. It also will fit a small Chromebook or a small laptop. Okay, so this is an 11.9-inch Chromebook, fits in there just fine. The larger iPad Pro, with the Magic Keyboard or any other case won't fit. I haven't tried it naked without any case. I think it would be really a tight fit and you'd be scratching up the corners with the zipper, okay? So be aware this is a tablet sling, not for a super large tablet. Okay, but what do you have? You don't have a tablet sleeve, but you do have one stretchy pocket, no pen holder, and you do have an extra zipper pocket here, okay? So you do have an extra zipper pocket in the smaller version, but you lose the tablet sleeve, you lose the felt backing, and you lose the pin holder right here on the left-hand side of the interior. You do have the mesh pocket, which is just actually about the same size in this one, and you do have a slightly smaller height-wise, but not circumference-wise, water bottle holder. All right. And then the overall size of the compartment down here is actually a little smaller too, of course, because the dimensions of the bag are a little smaller. Now, here's the big difference. This is a 13-inch laptop. This is the Surface Laptop 4 from Microsoft. And I'm going to attempt to put it in this bag. It doesn't fit, and you can't even jam it in. What you can do is drop it into the main compartment itself without any cushioning, and zip it up. So it fits in the bag, but it is really insanely tight. So in a pickle, you could stick a laptop into the overall bag itself here on the 7-liter version. This is where the 9-liter version really shines. All right, let's do this thing. This is what you came to see. This is the laptop compartment. I'm going to unvelcro it. Velcro can stick up there out of the way. And I'm going to drop that laptop right in, and man, oh man, it fits like a glove. And I'm going to put the tablet in its keyboard case. Boom, I now have my laptop and my tablet in a super portable sling with a ton of extra space and a ton of extra cushioning. Now, this elastic pocket here is still usable because it has quite a bit of stretch. And you've got this pen holder on the side there. So that's the key difference between these two bags. There we go. In the one, you have the one laptop holder or tablet holder for like a 12-inch or less. I'm thinking like an 11.7 or less. And then on this side, you have a 13-inch laptop sleeve along with a tablet sleeve. And this one you have felt on the interior, which is really nice, extra cushioning. And this one you have cushioning on the back, but it is the backpack cushioning. Nothing super beefed out about the cushioning of this bag. So I wanted to show you these two side by side so that you can make an informed decision. I hope this is a helpful video to you. A reminder, in my previous video of this tablet sling, I did make this as a recommended buy. I do really love about this bag, the layout and the functionality, the ease of use, and the comfort in wearing this bag. The things I would change about this bag, if I could, remain the same. The first thing that I would change about this bag is I would make the interior a high contrast color instead of this kind of boring black, make it a little bit easier to find what you're looking for inside the bag. And I'm gonna add a new thing that I wish that they would have, which is choices in color on the exterior of the bag. This black is a good looking bag, and for everybody, I think this is going to be the most popular choice. But now that I've seen that TomToc is willing to go a little bit different with color, I wish that they would do it with the larger sling. Because I've got to say, for those with a minimalist laptop carry, this might be your new favorite sling. All right. Everybody, thank you for joining. I hope this comparison video was very useful to you in making an informed decision about which TomToc sling you wanted to buy. I do recommend this particular version of the TomToc sling. I've got a comparison video that I'll also link where you get to see 3 different sizes. This is the new 4th size of the EDC sling, and man, oh man, it is beautiful and super easy to use, super easy to adjust, super fun to wear. All right, everybody. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new here. We do all kinds of bag reviews and gear reviews, comparisons. It's a great place to see new stuff. If you have any recommendations for me of bags you'd like to see me review, please let me know. Leave a comment. And everybody, as always, thank you for your support. That's it for now. We will see you next time. Bye-bye, Wanderers.